So hello everyone, मेरा नाम Prem Maharjan and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be making an artwork using watercolor. So let's get started. First of all, we'll be needing a pencil. Here I am using a mechanical pencil. Then we start by drawing a rough sketch. Then we go on refining it step by step. Now it's time to color the artwork. I'll be using a watercolor for this.
You pretend though you don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me.
I wanna make this artwork a bit vibrant, so I'll be using different colors, especially orange. You know?
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side.
So finally it's done and here's the review. I hope you guys like the video. Do let me know kasto lagyo, हैन? And do hit the subscribe button down below. It will help me a lot. Stay art videos हेर्नको लागि stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.